everybody. Today I'd like to show you how to heal the hiccup by long breathing. Hiccup it's gonna get healed easily by breathing. To inhale we can do longer and deeper than usual, and to exhale too we do longer and slower than usual. So when I inhale, I'm gonna have a signal by the hand like this, and when I exhale, I'm gonna have a signal like this, to do slowly. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna inhale first and follow by exhale. Okay, let's start. Yes, we do slowly, so you can do 5 rounds. Inhale and exhale. We count 1, and we do 5 rounds. After 5 rounds, the hiccup gonna get healed easily, because somebody to have hiccup, it may last 1 day or even 2 days, and by this way only 1 or 2 minutes it's gonna be gone easily. And thanks for watching.